Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, and in today's video we are going to shout out one of my favorite YouTubers, Tavarish. And congratulations, Tavarish, for completing your build project on your Lamborghini Murciélago from Fast and Furious 8. Man, I'm super excited for you. And today we're going to talk about that, and also going to go pick up the Aventador. So let's get right into it.
Huge shout out to Will Motivation, guys. Be sure to check out his YouTube channel at Will Motivation, dude.
Will Motivation on YouTube and Instagram. Definitely check him out.
We about to run Will Motivation.
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
It's called Will from Will Motivation. If you don't know who he is, just go ahead and type in Will Motivation on YouTube and you'll find him.
Will Motivation, satin white Hurricane to drive.
Will Motivation.
Will Motivation.
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
Go check out Will Motivation's channel on YouTube.
Okay, so I just came to the office to pick up Nydia, my assistant. Say hi. Hi. So we have to go get the Aventador. So those of you guys who are tuning in for the first time to my channel, I actually just picked up a new to me Lamborghini Aventador. So I had to get a new battery put in the car. We're gonna go pick it up, and on the way back I'm gonna tell you why I'm saluting Tavarish in this video. But yeah, let's go ahead to we're going to Mag of Ohio. We'll put the battery in the car, and let's go pick up the Aventador. Okay, so just got here to Mag of Columbus. I've dropped off my Lamborghini Aventador here for a battery. I was gonna try to do it myself, but no time, and I want to enjoy the car. There's a car show tomorrow at Buyers Imports, like across the street in Whitehall Park, in the parking lot. So if you're in the Columbus, Ohio area and you want to check out my new Aventador, definitely come out to the car show on Saturday. What happened? She don't know how to drive the car. ¿Qué pasó?
¿Qué es lo que pita?
¿Qué dice? Oh, la llave.
Oh, por Dios.
It said right there, key fob has left the vehicle. All right, so we're gonna go grab the Aventador, and then we're gonna talk about Tavarish's new Lamborghini Murciélago that he just finished up. Man, supercar. So let's go get the Aventador. Uh-oh, I hear my car just started up. It's not out here yet though. That's a dope color for paint, for calipers and for stitching. Dope color for calipers and stitching. As a matter of fact, if I wrap my Aventador, don't be surprised if you see my calipers that color. All right, so I just paid for the battery in the Aventador. So, of course, Lamborghini tax. So we'll talk about how much that costs. Well, let me go ahead and tell you guys. So the battery placement in the Aventador, 500 bucks, 560 bucks. So that's parts and labor. Yeah. But anyway, let's look at some cars. Make me feel better. So you guys want to see the inspiration for me getting my Aventador? It's actually right up here. Came here for some work on my Gallardo and ended up, so it wasn't this one, that's a Huracan Evo, but it was that one right there. Saw that car and kind of fell in love. Next thing you know, so what's your name, man?
Danny.
Danny?
Yeah.
You thinking about an Aventador? Yeah. All right, we'll do a picture real quick. Oh, hey, man.
Good to see you. Thank you.
Hey, good to meet you, man.
I'm
Take
your
care.
friend.
Ah, thank you, man. Hey, congrats on the Porsche. Okay, so we got the Aventador back, and cool, just met someone who actually subscribed to the channel, so that's pretty cool. There is the Aventador. So if you guys haven't seen it, this is my new Lamborghini Aventador. It's new to me, but it's actually 2013. But with the Aventador, they did not change the styling significantly for you know, like a 2019 even. So I'm happy with it. So just got a new battery on it. Let's take it for a spin. Okay, so we just got the Aventador back from MAG here in Columbus. So I'm going to take this thing home and get it ready for the car show tomorrow. Needs a good wash, but yeah, so got a new battery in it and we're good to go. So as I said earlier, battery placement from Lamborghini is 500 bucks. So could have been worse, but you know how it is. All right, so let's roll out. I need an exhaust on this thing badly. So the perfect time for me to basically talk to you guys. And what I wanted to do today, like I started a series on my channel called YouTuber of the Week. And my first YouTuber of the Week was Autovlog. But man, I was hoping that he was gonna get that Ferrari. And he just made an announcement on Instagram, because I follow him on Instagram. And if you guys can go check him out as well, it's Autovlog. Put a link in the description. But he made an announcement on Instagram that he was signing the papers to get his Ferrari F12. So Mike, Autovlog fans and community, congratulations to you and to all of your subscribers. I'm really looking forward to seeing you enjoy the whole experience of owning that Ferrari F12. And congratulating him on his new Ferrari F12. So check out that video and check out Autovlog's channel if you have not already. He has a beautiful new Ferrari F12, which was his dream car, and it inspired me so much I wanted to do a video about it and congratulate him. And yeah, so I'm doing the same thing now and continuing my YouTuber of the Week series. And this week's YouTuber of the Week obviously is Tavarish. So if you're not familiar with Tavarish, he's had a YouTube channel for several years now, where he fixes up different types of cool and unique cars. Some of those cars being supercars. I found Tavarish's channel when he started his series on rebuilding a turbocharged Lamborghini Gallardo. And in that series, man, he did a lot of great videos rebuilding that car. You know, pretty much was like from scratch. He did everything from the interior to, you know, rebuilding the turbo system. It was a great series, so I basically subscribed to his channel and became a fan of Tavarish through that Lamborghini Gallardo, Turbo Gallardo rebuild. So now what brings us to this week, and Tavarish being the YouTuber of the week, is he just finished his dream car build of a Lamborghini Murciélago that happens to have a really cool history. And the history on that car is it was a movie, like a set car in the movie Fast and Furious 8, F8. And it was one of the cars, it was like the orange Lamborghini that Tavarish was driving. And of course, everybody was excited when he picked this car up. And I think Ed Bolian had something to do with it from Ben Wiki. So shout out to Ed Bolian. But yeah, Tavarish picked up this car. It was in really rough shape, and he brought it back to better than new. And when I say it's better than new, it's really better than new. Like, take a look at it.
This is gonna be awesome.
So yeah, shout out to Tavarish and congratulations, dude. You are the YouTuber of the week. Watching that video, man, I can relate to it because it sounds like you're a guy with humble beginnings that has come a long way, man, to make your dreams come true with some of these supercars. And my channel is very much based on some of the same things. I'm a guy from humble beginnings that's brought a lot of supercars to my channel just because it's one of my passions and something that I worked hard for. So when I saw that video, man, I was inspired to make this video and shout you out as the YouTuber of the week. So hopefully we'll cross paths one day, but I just wanted to shout out Tavarish and congratulate him, and to let you guys know, if you have not seen his channel and his new car and his most recent build, definitely check it out. I'll put a link in the description to the most recent video on his Lamborghini Murciélago, and you guys can check that out. I'm sure you'll be very pleasantly surprised with that build if you haven't seen it already. But yeah, definitely go check that out. And congratulations to Tavarish. You're our YouTuber of the week, and enjoy that Lamborghini Murciélago. I hope I can see it one day, and I'm looking forward to lots more videos on that particular car. But yeah, you guys make sure to go check that out. The daggone engine start stop feature kicked in. Man, I hate that. Let's turn it off. There we go. There we go. Yo, so we just made it back with the Aventador. It's driving great. I checked the battery level and it wasn't dropping dramatically like my old battery. And in case you guys haven't seen this Lamborghini yet, this is my 2012 Lamborghini Gallardo. And it is affectionately known as the Green Goblin because look at the color scheme. It's got the green wrap. It's called Satin Viper Green, and it's got the orange calipers. That's the all it needs is some purple, and it would be like the Green Goblin from Spider-Man. But yeah, that's the Green Goblin right there. And my new Aventador, which we're gonna have some fun with this weekend, taking it to a car show, the first car show that we're gonna take this car to. Columbus Cars and Coffee on the east side of Columbus, Saturday from 10 to 12. I'll put a link in the description or the information on that event in the description of this video. But yeah, that's the Lamborghini Aventador. And yes, the doors do go up. Yeah. There's the interior, got the white stitching in there in case you haven't seen it already. But man, I'm loving this car. This car is dope. I do miss my Lamborghini Huracan. So for those of you guys that are tuning in for the first time, I also had a supercharged Lamborghini Huracan 610-4. affectionately known as knowledge, because it took knowledge to get it. So, you know, if this is your first time tuning into my video, I welcome you to subscribe to the channel. Here on my channel, I try to not only share the experience of owning some of these supercars, but my channel is about how you can make that happen for yourself through entrepreneurship, through investing, through making good decisions in life in general. So that's what my channel is about. That's why I call it Wheel Motivation, because for me, I was motivated by these cars at an early age to make sure I did whatever I had to do professionally in order to be able to afford cars like this one day. So I like to share that experience on YouTube. And so maybe I'll help some of you guys out. And for those of you that have already subscribed to my channel, please hit that like button for me. And I appreciate all of your support. But as you guys know, I am not a full-time YouTuber. And I don't really make a whole lot of money off of YouTube, make a little bit of money. So I gotta get back to work. So I'm about to go get on the computer. I'm a software engineer by trade. A lot of you guys already know that. I own a couple of businesses. I invest in real estate. So I gotta get back to work, man. So thank you guys for watching this video. Shout out to Tavarish. Shout out to Autovlog. And yeah, this is my YouTuber of the Week episode. And yeah, I hope to see you guys if you're in Columbus. Hope to see you guys at the car show tomorrow from 10 to 12, Columbus Cars and Coffee. Check out the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Yo, this is Will Motivation. Just wanted to say thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to share this video with your friends and be a part of the movement. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Holla.